That's dangerous, guys. Look.
This is my wife. She's afraid the oil is going to jump out and wrap around her.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, good morning. Alam nyo ba guys, nag-umulan ng ice at saka lahat ng kahoy is ice. At si Tami tulog na tulog. Oh my God. Ice guys, grabe. Nag-ice. So, kung lalabas ka, madisgrasya ka talaga. Napaapakan ko yung ano ni Hubs guys. Hubs, buntot niya guys. Grabe yung ano niya guys, piyagit. Grabe yung ano niya, ingay. I want to show you the ano, the snow. The ice. It's not even snow guys, it's ice. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Even everything is ice guys. Look. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tignan nyo yung ibon guys, kawawa. Everything is ice. Look at that. Ice. The tree is ice. Look. Si Roxy guys, napuno og ice. Tignan. Roxy guys, ice. Everything is ice in the back. So we have to put a towel to my baby. Look, he's walking with a towel. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, towel. Towel, huh? Come on. Come on. What is that towel in your back? Oh my God. You cannot go out. But I see cars, hon. And my son's enjoying the view of the birds out there. I feel bad with the birds. Guys, they're so hungry. Look at them, hon. And they won't even go. That's the thing, guys. Tommy used, oh. Sabi pa niya, so maraming pagkain sila, pero ayaw nilang pumunta doon. Pero meron pagkain. Kung gusto nilang pupunta doon, meron sila. Pero kawawa yung birds, oh. It's frozen kasi, guys. It's raining ice. And look, the cardinal out there, oh. It's so pretty. Look, oh. Pakita ko sa inyo sa front natin, oh. Can you hear it, guys? You can hear it, right? Tignan mo yung flag. Look, tignan mo yung flag. Ice talaga, guys. Oh. Look, tignan mo yung flag. Oh, ice. Oh. Ice talaga siya, guys. Wa na anyari sa mundo. Ice talaga. Yung mga kahoy din. Oh, ice. Oh. Look, hindi na nga siya mag-fold. Oh, kahit sa hangin. Oh. Maririnig mo na talaga ng ice. Hala, ay, nag-snowpiercer naman dito, guys. Delikado na lalabas ba? Kasi ang ano na siya, yung parang ang mga kahoy. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya, guys. Gamitin ko yung puting camera. I-focus ko yung ano. Pero oh my God, it's ice already. Hindi pa rin nag-stop. Naririnig ninyo, guys? It's still raining ice. Hala, ay, anyari dito, eh. Yung mga flag, basa. Basa. Ice, dito din, oh. Ice na, oh. Oh my God. Nag-ulan na gyud og ice, guys. Grabe. Hay, yung flag ba? Mabigat na siya, guys. Mabali man jud na ba? Look, oh, it come down, oh. I'm gonna tell Tommy to take it. It's very heavy. Heavy. You have to get your shoes. Nakakatakot naman dito, eh. Hindi naman maginaw siya, guys, pero hindi masyadong maginaw. Yung parang ano lang. Look, oh, ice, oh. Oh my God, yung mga kahoy, ice na rin, oh, look. Oh my God. Sana mag-stop po ito, guys. Alam nyo bakit? Yung bubong, yung atop ba, yung roof natin. Dito na sa amin. Okay. It's looks gonna break soon because it's heavy. Hala, there is a car. Look. That's dangerous. That's dangerous, guys. Look. May sasakyan, guys. Oh my God. That's really dangerous. What the heck is going on with that guy? Look, Tommy's taking up. Hello! Oh my God. Look, ang tigas, guys. Just put that down. Put that down. Ang tigas ng flag. And you cannot stand it like wait, just put it down. You break the material, you know? Put it down like that. Hello. Hello. It's like a bacon. Hello, oy. We have to put the flag down for now, guys, kasi even though we don't like putting the flag down, but we have to kasi it's really beacon flag now. Look, look, look. Look, look. It will break. Look, look. Okay. Yuck. Oh my God, it's no further. Hala, oy, hala, the material, guys. Hala, ang tigas. Oh my God. Honey. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at this. The flag is down for now, guys. It's gonna come back. We love the flag of America. We salute you, flag. Leave it there for now. Oh my God, this is crazy. Look, look, look at the tree is moving, honey. That makes me worried, hon. Because that tree is heavy. That tree, guys, is heavy and it's a little windy. Look at it. We're gonna have a blackout later, guys. Brown out. We're gonna have a brown out because you know why? It's kind of windy, so all this electric pole, it will break. Oh my God, this is this. Hello, I can hear the tree, han. Hello.
People have to drive. So things to do, places to go.
Oh my God. Look, nag-ulan pa rin, guys. It's still raining ice pa rin. Did you check the Neuroshell house? Huh?
A couple hours ago. Some jobs closed. Like Andrea's school closed.
Oh,
She's got to work from home still, though.
yeah, of course.
But all the people that work from school, they don't have to work.
Wala, eh. I'm going in. Guys, akala ko, guys, kahapon nakukuha. Hindi pala talaga siya nakukuha, guys. Sa fabric, yung nilagay ni Mister na ito. Akala ko nakukuha siya, pero hindi. So, ngayon, i-drain ko lang yan. Anuhin ko siya, yung parang ganunin ko na lang siya para ilagay sa ano. Tawag nito sa washing machine. And then, linisin ko itong tub. Na, nagkala. Nagkapula-pula na tong jacuzzi natin. Ay, ako talaga. Ipadala ko na lang ito sa Pinas. Kasi konti lang naman yung, hindi naman siya masama. Magagamit naman talaga siya. Ipadala ko na lang ito. So, kailangan mawala mo na yung tubig bago natin siya pugtaan. Tignan nyo. Pumasok lang ako sa bahay. Hindi ko na nilock yung ano. Ito yung delikado, guys. Kasi one time, alam nyo ba nangyari? One time, natutulog ako. Open pala yan. Hindi pala nakalock yung front door. Yun na yan. Sabi ko, ay nako, delikado itong mga pinagagawa ko.
Well, I guess I might as well come out because you already scared the birds away, so. I got my shoes. Well, bring it up here, I'll open it. It's because the wire's frozen.
Oh my God, siya yung kumakain sa bread. Huy! It's not for you! Hindi talaga mag-open, guys. Oh my God. Roxy! Huy! Eh, naku! This is not for you. Siya na yung kumakain. That's not for you. Give it to the birdies. It's not for you. Go inside. It's freezing. Go inside. Go in. It's freezing.
That's why there's ice in here.
Tignan yung birdies, guys. Iniwan namin doon yung ano. Sabi pa nila, anyari? Bakit nawala yung ano? She took our food? What the heck? But she leave us a big bag here. Na, pinaliguan na ni Tommy yung ano, bird feeder, guys. Nag-ahis na kasi, guys. Hindi na siya ma-open ba? So, ngayon, you have to kind of like dry on top. It will go freeze.
that locked on? That's not locked on. Pour the rest seat on the ground. No, keep it in piles so they can see it. Yeah, try the driveway. Do it on the driveway. You can slide all the way to the street.
Ito na. Wala nang tubig. So, ang gagawin ko is magpugta-pugta na lang ako dito, guys. So, ngayon, pugta-pugta tayo. Pugta-pugta. Rin mo po. Ay, ang bigat. Look, oh, nagkaano tuloy sa kabila din. Itong si Tami talaga. Hindi siya nakukuha. Pero, hindi naman lahat ng material. Pero, guys, magagamit ito, guys, pag tinglamig Pinas. December, tinglamig. Aroy. Aroy talaga. Okay, let's go. Dito na, baldi. Baldi from Home Depot. Ito yung gamitin natin. And laba. My husband is busy. Sinabihan ko na kailangan mong gawin. Yung kailangan mong gawin. Ang daming kailangang tapusin. Pero hindi niya magawa-gawa. Kasi palagi na lang nasa. So, nagagalit ako. Napagalitan ko. Kasi, importante yung dapat unahin. Matagal na. Hindi niya inayos. So, ngayon, sabi ko, unahin mo yun. Wala tayo. Magka-problema tayo na to. So, yun. Sinabihan ko. Nandun sa. Kasi, yun na lang yung gawin mo. Unahin mo yung importante. Kasi hindi yan magaling sa mga ano. Parang, kung sa Bisaya, patapulan siya ba? Tapulan. At tignan nyo yun. Tignan nyo yung asawa. Kailangan pang pagsabihan. Tignan natin si Tami, guys. Naglalagay siya ng soap. Oh my God, ang kapal. Ang kapal ng ice. Ang kapal ng ice. Nagsusalt lang siya, guys. Oh, you're pouring thick, Han? You're pouring thick. Grabe, ang kapal ng ice, guys. Oh. Ice po yun, guys. Do you want to bring the salt over there? Grabe. At saka hindi pa siya nag-stop, guys. Nag-ano pa talaga siya. Nag-umuulan pa talaga rin ng ano, ice. Look, ang kapal. Ice yan, guys. Kaloka. So, yun yung gagawin ni Tami. The whole driveway. So, ang taas ng driveway namin. So, yun yung gagawin niya, look. Inom ako ng inom ng tubig dahil sakit dito. Iwan ko, sana makatulong ko ito. Sakit, ay grabe. Parang bayuok. Hindi man ito bayuok kasi connected dito, oh. So, tainga, likuran. I think na-infection. Hopefully, hindi na-infection yung tainga natin, guys. Kasi iwan ko na lang. So, ang ilagay ko dyan is butter. So, yun. It's a butter. Lutuin. Ay, brown lang naman natin yung mga sides niya. Both sides. Para meron tayong brown. So, yan.
Alright, guys, you paying attention? It's my wife. She's afraid the oil is going to jump out and wrap around her. Not only does she put the cover on it, she has to hold it to make sure it doesn't throw the cover and then jump on her. Because she always burns herself.
Because
Anytime she's using anything hot, she burns herself. Anytime she's using anything sharp, she cuts herself.
show what I cook. Look, right here.
Oh, let's see what she cook.
No, over there. Look at it.
Pork chops. Pork chops and pork chops. And pork chop.
Hot. I know my face is fat. What can I tell you, honey? It's not.
She's afraid to put it down.
It's tiring, but I need to protect the surroundings.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's so pretty and browning. I broil it, guys, after baking it for a while. So, kakain lang kami. Brussels sprout, yung gulay, rice, and then macaroni salad for my baby. Okay, guys, kain lang kami. And then, guys, it's snowing. After ice, it's snow. So, that means it's really scary out there. And then, walang tao sa daan. Anyway, we're gonna end the vlog, guys. Kakain lang kami ng dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tommy said hi, and now he's gonna say bye!
Thanks for watching, guys.
He's vlogging today. He's filming me, so... Anyway, guys, bye. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Good
Bye, guys.
night!